Hey besties, welcome back again to my channel. In this video I'll just like to show you how I made this beautiful cake. It's a dollhouse themed cake. I've covered the cake in white, so that's my first covering, and now I'm adding just a little layer of the colored frosting. Whenever I'm working with a dark color, what I like to do is to just make a little quantity, say about a quarter of a cup or half cup of the frosting, depending on the height and the size of the cake I'm working on. I do this because I don't want my clients or my customers to consume so much of the colored frosting. Take note of how I'm applying the frosting on the cake. Remember that I already covered this frosting in white, and now I'm covering it with just a little layer of the colored frosting, and I'm not applying so much pressure. Now I'm going to use my scraper to go around the cake, and this will help even out the color. And if I have any spot or any place on the cake that does not have the frosting, all I'll do is just add more of the frosting, to that area to just give it an even color. The whipped cream frosting that you're using matters a lot. So if you have a good whipped cream recipe, you're good to go. But if you have a recipe that melts on you easily, or you don't know how to maneuver your whipped cream recipe, or you do not even have a good whipped cream recipe, you can reach out to me at Cakes by Ife on Instagram. You can send a DM to me on Instagram, or you can also send a WhatsApp message to me at 081-375-17157. I have an online class, a whipped cream online class, where I taught 4 stable recipes, okay, and it's very affordable. I'm using my colored chocolate drip. I have a video on my channel on how I made my colored chocolate drip, or how to make colored chocolate drips. Okay, so if you've not seen that video, you can just scroll down after watching this video to check out how to make your colored chocolate drip. Very easy recipe. You can see how beautiful it looks. The whipped cream is still stable. I'm yet to put it in the fridge, and I've been able to work on it for this long. So now I'm adding the sprinkles on the body of the cake. I'm using my eyes to just gauge the parts where I want the sprinkles to end. I don't want it to go too far. I don't want it to get to the midline of the cake, and I don't want it to be too little on the cake. If you understand what I mean, I'm sure you do. So I'm just going to apply it gradually. If I was applying these sprinkles on a buttercream cake, I probably would put my hands on it in a way. But because I'm working on a whipped cream cake and I'm wearing gloves, so I do not want my hands or any spatula to give this whipped cream cake any dents in any way. That's why I decided to opt for the throwing, method. So now I'm just going to pipe on top of the cake. All I'm doing is adding the sprinkles. I'm just throwing it on top of it. On the frosting, on the piped frosting, the white one on top of the cake. And I'm just going to insert the cake topper into the cake. And there you have it. This is the finished look of this cake. What do you think about this cake? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this video, thank you so much for your love and your support. Please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, drop a beautiful comment in the comment section, and share this video with anyone you love, your friend, anyone that you think it will be helpful to. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.